Om Namah Shivaya. My name is Marc. I'm a Shivananda yoga teacher based in Greenwich, London. Please subscribe to my channel. I will teach you yoga in all situations, even balancing on a wheel. Hari Om Tat Sat. Om Namah Shivaya. My name is Marc. I'm a Shivananda yoga teacher based in London, Greenwich. I'm sharing with you my way to get into Mayurasana, the Peacock Pose. It's more an advanced posture. Just try it out. So for Peacock, I'm separating the legs wide apart, or the knees wide apart. I'm sitting on the heels. The challenge is now to get the elbows as close as possible together. We want to bring the elbows on the abdomen. So we bring the palms facing backwards. At least I do. I extend the legs and look forward, bring the legs together and bring the legs up with control. I try to look forward, keep the legs parallel, even a bit higher, and slowly relax, bring the arms down. Just rest for a moment in child pose, balasana. For child pose, forehead down on the floor, palms next to feet. If you can't reach the floor, don't worry. Make a tower with the fists. And relax. Out of fun, I will share with you the one-armed peacock. It's even more advanced. Believe it or not, that's what I practiced before I could get the elbows together. For this, I was turning my palm facing backwards. I tried to place the elbow on the abdomen. I bring the legs up and bring the arm up. It requires much more balance. And I can't hold it for long. Don't worry. However, when you try, just even for a moment, try to practice it on both sides. Have a bit of fun. Back to the normal posture. For some, it is easier when they bring the soles of the feet together. Let me demonstrate this. I will turn around. I come into the same position, have the elbows into the abdomen, bring the clothes together as close as possible, palms facing back. I look forward, keep the feet together, bring the soles of the feet together and bring the knees up and look forward. For some, it is more appealing and they can hold the posture for a little bit longer. Thank you for tuning in. Give some likes and subscribe to my channel. Any comment is more than welcome. I hope to see you soon. Om. Don't forget, subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. Hari Om Tat Sat.